Alright, we're going down into the mine shaft. Yay! Way down. This is going to be cool.
56 miles south of Quartzite and 41 miles northeast of Yuma, Arizona, nestled inside the Kofa National Wildlife Refuge, lays the Castle Dome Mine Museum. While you may look on the map and think this is just an old dust bowl of nothing, it will absolutely surprise and delight all. In this weather-beaten town are the remains of an area little changed from its heyday of the 1800s. You'll see a town full of weather-beaten structures that had a larger population than Yuma in 1878, but now stands as a museum and ghost town for all to enjoy. One option you'll for sure not want to miss is the guided tour 100 feet below the surface into what was once a thriving silver mine. Come with us as we explore the Old West ghost town of Castle Dome and travel deep underground into the whole mine.
So there's a silver vein up in here. And you can kind of see how they would have worked at different slopes. And so what that is, that's considered scaling.
Look at the vein, the silver vein right up in there.
Kind of loosen up a lot of this. And so there would be boards on those two steps there, and there'd be somebody else working above them. 1919, these kind of ran from Walla Walla, Washington. One is from 1908 and 1919. Kind of gives you a little bit of an indication that people did come from out of the area to work. A few weeks ago, an ancestor brought in a pretty good file of her.
Howdy, folks. I'm Sheriff Tyner, out of Yuma. I get out to these parts every now and again when there's troubles. I finally found this desperado hideout. It's been a good place for outlaws. Juan Lego was with his girlfriend as she worked in one of the bars in town. A stranger came in and started paying a lot of attention to Juan's girlfriend, who seemed to be enjoying the attention. This made Juan really mad, and he called the stranger out. The stranger drew first and shot and killed Juan dead. He sought refuge in here before he disappeared. Then there was Ramon Ayala. He and a fellow named Manuel had a heated argument coming out of the mines. They headed to the bar, got drunk, where the fight continued. Finally, Ramon pulled out his knife and killed Manuel dead. He hightailed it here too before he disappeared.
One of the most spectacular parts of the mine tour is the natural wonder of the fluorescent mineral wall. This cavernous room within the mine is about 30 feet wide and 50 feet tall, covered with glowing minerals in spectacular shades of blues, reds, greens, and more. It is one of the world's most unique natural wonders.
You know, they probably do, but
What you got here, sweetie?
Oh, all sorts of things to sell you. Pots and pans, cups, and all the necessary household supplies.
The National Cash Register.
Belly up to the bar.
It's like somebody's house, and every day they open their barn.
Deep breath. Awesome. They always have a place to rest.
Oh, we can't go upstairs.
I know, it's kind of bummer, huh?
Oh, I didn't say large bear on the wall. Poor guy. He didn't do any bad.
You didn't do any wrong.